Why do your videos flop online? Yes, for many months, my videos flopped online. You need to hook your audience in the first 2 to 3 seconds. Make a bold statement, state a pain point, or share a personal story. This will keep people intrigued and captivated on wanting to watch more and longer of your videos. Number two, have your value proposition. Give people solid, in depth, meaty information. Number one, two, and three. So that people can be like, wow, this content is super awesome. This resonates with me. I need to learn from this dude or this girl the relevant information that I need so that when I take action, I can see progress, results, a positive outcome, awesome transformation, or awesome change. The last thing, you need to have an irresistible offer or a CTA, which is a call to action. For example, drop a comment in the comment section, work smarter, and I'll reach out to you. Or contact me on 0810749393, or message me on Facebook or TikTok or whichever social media platform you are actually posting or uploading your video. That is the proper way you need to structure, or you must structure a video in order to build your brand, get more exposure, generate leads, and convert leads into sales. So remember this strategy.